clean and comfortable environment is very essential for every industry. Not only for the well-being of humans working inside the same, but also for better productivity and life of machine. We, SK Systems Private Limited, are working for engineering a better environment. Late Mr. N.K. Gupta, main founder, developed the idea for SK Systems in 1980. The second generation management, Mr. Ajay Bhargava, and his team are following the values that are embodied in the DNA of the organization. Today, SK is a leading company in India, engaged in the field of ventilation, air conditioning and air pollution control systems for varied industrial applications. All the jobs are executed with proper planning and monitoring system to maintain high quality standard and in turn ensure zero tolerance policy. Our range of activities include pressurization and ventilation, evaporative air cooling, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, dust extraction and collection, mill motor ventilation, mill hood exhaust, aspiration systems, general supply and exhaust systems. The product range includes axial flow fans, propeller fans, centrifugal fans, limit load fans, air washer units, air handling units, package AC units, chillers, roof extractor units, pulse jet bag filters, prefabricated ducts. SK products are designed and manufactured in compliance with the highest standards of quality, safety and environment management systems and are duly certified by the most accredited national and international bodies. The manufacturing unit of SK is situated in Kundali Industrial Area District, Sonipat, Haryana. The facilities include design and engineering, Auto Line 3 for duct manufacturing, TDC, TDF, flange making machines, power presses, CNC based profile cutting machine, CNC based hydraulic bending machine, NC based guillotine shearing machine, lathe and shaper machines, fan flange making machine, dynamic balancing machine, MIG welding facility, grid blasting, painting facility and performance testing of fans up to 250,000 meter cube per hour capacity. Assembly of air washer units up to 300,000 meter cube per hour capacity. Assembly of bag filters up to 100,000 meter cube per hour capacity. Holding on to our strengths and building new ones, our team of more than 150 employees is absolutely focused on achieving immediate target of regaining growth. At SK Systems, we deliver excellence in engineering products in different industries like oil and gas, cement, steel, thermal power, hydropower and automobile. Also exported systems and equipments to Bangladesh, Kenya, Bhutan, Nigeria, Tanzania, Philippines and Yemen, etc. Major consultants with whom we worked are SK has developed special expertise in executing HVAC systems in hydro and thermal power sector. Major projects executed are for Baglihar HEP Stage 1, Koldam HEP, Lapanga CPP, IBTPS, Singareni TPP. Since our inception, SK continues to receive awards and industry recognitions and treated as one of the most dependable company in Indian industry by customers like NHPC, BHEL and Ritz Hydro and GE Power. SK has received Hind Ratna Award, Best Vendor Award from BHEL Bhopal and Business Sphere Award for being leaders in project engineering of HVAC systems. The workforce at SK offers unprecedented capabilities along with well-proven integration and dedication. They believe in delivering best of their productivity without letting any hindrance coming into their way. The aim of our company is not to accumulate money, but to serve the industry in the most economical way by providing better engineering services, better standard of equipments and performances through updated technologies and management principles. We are more interested in delivering quality jobs rather than focusing on quantity. We, SK Systems Private Limited, are working for engineering a better environment.